In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on X for the first time. So you can post on either the desktop or the mobile version. I'm going to show you today how you can do it on the mobile version. So you may have been scrolling through Twitter or X and you see people posting crazy stuff and you want to join in on the action and you want to post your own takes. So how do we do this? So first we need to download the app. We need to create an account. And once you've done that, you can then go to the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will then load up this window, and what we can do now is we can go ahead and type and write a tweet. We can also add things like photos, videos, GIFs, and locations to this tweet. So I'm just going to post here, hello world. And now I've done that, what we can also do is if we look to the bottom here, you can see everyone can reply. If you go ahead and click on that, it will be on that by default, but you can either change it to accounts you follow, only accounts you mention, or verified accounts. If you want it to go to the most people, leave it on everyone can reply. Then you can either choose if you want to add a photo by the first photo icon, camera, you've got grok here, you've got live, you've got GIFs, which you can also add. So maybe I will add world GIF. So there you go, that will do. Then we've got location, and that is about it. Now what we can do, once we're happy with our post, we can click post in the top right hand corner, and that's going to go ahead and make our post public. So you can see the post was sent. Now if we go ahead and refresh, we might be able to see it. If not, we can go to our profile in the top left hand corner. You can then go to profile again, and here you can see your post. From here, people will be able to click on it, they'll be able to like it, repost it, and also reply to it as well. Also, they'll be able to bookmark it by clicking on the bookmark icon. So that's how you do it. Now, if you want to get more engagement on your posts, reply to other people, post controversial stuff, and basically follow what everyone else is posting. So that's how you can do it. I hope that video did help you out.